Welcome back to True Incredible Stories. You asked for it, and today we're delivering. We're taking a closer look at the true icon of television history, the Barney Fife squad car. It's like it drove right off the set of the Andy Griffith Show.
I'm Barney Fife from Mayberry.
From Mayberry, okay.
Correct. 62 Ford Galaxie that we bought as a plain car, and my son and I put it together. Bought it out of Ohio 20 years ago. Had 32,000 miles on it, in very good shape. We sandblasted it, repainted, and I bought all the trinkets on eBay. Got a sticker here from Mount Pilot Ford. Of course, there is no such thing, only in Mayberry.
Yeah. Good.
And we can go around to the front?
Yeah. Sure.
Okay. Here I have Barney Fife's uniform with his name tag and badge.
Excellent.
I have the official hat. I have the two-way radio. We have a siren and light that work. Handcuffs. Yes, Barney's in the back seat. All right, that's our insignia. Inside, I have the autographs on the sun visors, both Andy Griffith and Barney Fife, which took a little work, but we made it happen.
Wow, that's awesome.
I have the South Carolina map on the dash. It became pretty famous on the show. Light and siren, both work. In the front, I've got pictures of newer squad cars with my squad car. One is a patrol car from Fond du Lac, Wisconsin, and the other is a SUV from Dodge County. Police interceptor. I also have the music playing, as you can hear.
How much rebuilding did you have to do on that intercept?
Pardon?
How much rebuilding did you have to do to that engine?
I honestly couldn't tell you. My son did it. I have the theme song on it, CD, burned 96 times.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Did this bring back memories of watching Andy and Barney? I'd love to hear what your favorite episode was. Please remember to hit the like and subscribe button so you don't miss another classic car auto show special.